Hello everyone, hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another FabFitFun unboxing fall. Where did the summer go? Fall 2022, which means the next box will be winter 2022 and then it's 2023. Cool. If y'all know what FabFitFun is, it is a quarterly subscription service. It's seasonal, so it comes 4 times a year: spring, summer, fall, and winter. There is an annual plan where you pay up front and you get the 4 boxes. You also get early times for add-ons and any other sales. And you also get to customize the box early, or there is a season to season subscriptional, so you only pay for the box at the time. You do customize later than annual members, and you also get to sales after the annual members have already gone. FabFitFun was kind enough to give me this last year of FabFitFun on them, which I'm so grateful for. It always tends to come at like the time when I need it the most. All of y'all know my mom is sick. She went to the hospital yesterday. She's okay now, for now. She's getting the help she needs, but what showed up at my door when I needed a little bit of joy? This box. So they've been doing it like this for a year. So I just want to go through everything in this box, including what I purchased on add-ons and why. Okay, so I'm going to start with what I purchased on add-ons because that is at the top of the box. I'm going to start with these Deco Manny nail stickers. I got them in the style of the Zodiac. I'm a Taurus. I've been very into Zodiac themed things. I have a Taurus necklace right there. So when I saw that they were like Zodiac themed, I was like, yeah, I've been doing my nails a lot since the pandemic and they've been a little like bit of joy for me. And my mom and I used to do our nails together before her chemo meds made that not possible anymore. So I was like, oh, I want to try this. I have had Deco Mammy. It's Deco Miami. I have used Deco Miami's nail stickers before and I love them. So I'm just very excited for some more. And this was $5 on add-ons. Then I got this, which is a laundry hamper. I know it feels like the most random thing, but I've had the same laundry hamper since I was in senior in high school. They gave it to me for free as like a project graduation gift. And it's ratty. I mean, it's been almost 10 years since I graduated high school. I'm having an identity crisis. So this one looked really nice. It has nice sturdy handles, and mine is like a double decker. You have like one side for lights, one side for darks, and I really just wanted a singular thing to fit better in my room now that things have moved around. And I thought this was really cute. It was $14, so I picked it up. And last but not least, if you've been with me for any FabFitFun unboxing in the last maybe 2 years at this point actually, these London Town glass nail files, I always pick up 1 or 2. They are the best nail file in the world. I actually just accidentally sat on my only one the other day after I did my nails. I was like, my nail file. But then I remembered I bought 2, so this came at the right time. So altogether I spent $29 on add-ons and I'm just really excited. Let's get into the actual box then. As always, they give us little coupons to places. This one looks like it's a book monthly subscription service for kids, which is cool. I've actually been getting back into books. Y'all, The Broken Blade by Melissa Blair. I know I'm so late to it. Apparently it was on Book Talk a while ago. So good. So they have a coupon for that. We also always get a coupon for Bright Cellars, which is a wine subscription service. And then we have one for Daily Harvest. Did anyone see that thing going around where like these Daily Harvest chips were giving people straight up organ failure? And then we have a magazine, and I always say this, but in the olden days I miss it used to open up and you'd see all of the choices that you've ever had and like the choices you could have made, because then I would tell you what was in the choices and what I would pick, but they haven't been doing that in probably a year now. Everything is on the mobile app. So I'm just gonna go choice by choice. The first choice that I made was a NARS product. NARS is a little out of my price range normally. I only get NARS products if I have Ulta points saved up, or if it's in a subscription box, or if it's in like an add-ons for a subscription box. So I picked the blush in the shade Deep Throat. It's like a soft, it felt a little bit less pink than Orgasm, which was another option, and the other one was something that looked pretty orange. So I wanted to pick the most neutral blush out of them. It looks kind of bright in the pan here with my lights, but in person it feels more like a peachy pink, and it feels really nice. I've never owned a full-size NARS blush before. It makes me excited to try this. This retails for $32. There were a lot of really good choices this time. I know in the last box I was like, I'm not super impressed with the choices that have been available for us, but this time truly I found at least one in every choice that I was like, yeah, and then sometimes I found two. The next choice I made I'm really excited about as well. Okay, a brand I had never tried before, but it's been on my list. I have a list of brands I would love to try from in this next year, and so far I have tried About Face, which has been on my list since it launched. And this is the next one. This is from Glossier, and this is the Future Dew. A moment of silence for how beautiful this bottle is. This is a oil serum hybrid. This is not a new product from them. It's been around a while. It says apply 2 pumps all over the face as a last step in your skin routine. Add more of the high points for an extra glow. So I have seen people use this as like a primer, like a glossy primer. And I thought, yeah, I'm gonna try this and I hope I really like it. This box, you're gonna notice, is very skincare makeup themed, which is pretty atypical for me. I feel like I've been going for more of like a hair care skincare thing. I don't know. I'm excited for this. This is beautiful. And this, did I say this already? Who knows? This retails for $26. I'm so pumped to try this. I'm literally so pumped. My first Glossier product. The next choice I actually got 2 from. So what I love about FabFitFun is recently they have done this thing where if there's a choice option, and let's say they have 5 to 6 choices per that choice, if you like more than one of them, you can add it on for an additional 10, 15, I think one was $20 one time, depending on which choice it is. So this was choice 3, and I couldn't choose between these beautiful hugger hoops because I've been looking for smaller hoops to wear. They're these little hoopies. They're so pretty. All right, I'm gonna try them on. Oh my god. Oh my god. These are so cute. They have more room than I thought they would have. Oh my god. These feel so nice. Oh my god. Wow, I love these. Okay, these retail for $65, and this is from the brand Love AJ. They are the Caramella hoop earrings. They look so nice. These feel like, oh, they'll be comfortable to sleep in too. Yeah. Yeah, I love these so much. Okay, and also in that choice was this. This is a pair of Lily Sadoi. I'm saying that completely wrong. Oh, I actually really like these. Yes. Oh my god. So I had bought this pair, story time. So I bought this pair from Urban Outfitters about a year ago, and they're nice, but I noticed that it's not actually keeping the sun from my eyes, and I still squint. So I was like, I need a better pair of sunglasses. And the sunglasses I have are kind of like this, which is like this exaggerated, huge frame. And when I had a pair of wire glasses last year, it was in this same style. I just liked how big they were on my face because my eyes are really sensitive to the sun because they're lighter. So it blocked out more of the sun. It gave me more room to look around. And I just feel these are so nice. It's the little things, y'all. These retail for $80. They feel like $80. They feel... they feel good. So I encourage you, if you see something else you like on Choices, to purchase it as an add-on or an upgrade to the box, an add-on to the box. I'm not sure what exactly they call it. The next choice, which was from choice 4. Okay, it's from Luxie brushes. I used to get these all the time when I had a BoxyCharm subscription. It comes in this really cute little pack, which is great if you're traveling, and it has 4 brushes. We have the flat definer brush. I love these brushes. I have a few from Alamar Cosmetics. We also have the concealer brush. I also love to use this to pack on color on the lid. Then we have a little blending brush here, and we have a little smudger brush. So we have 4 brushes. This retails for $64, I believe. $64. This is the Luxie Enchanted Eye Set. They have these beautiful dark green handles. Most of my brushes are Luxie brushes, and there's a good reason. They're super high quality. I truly love them, and I was really excited to see the brand. Okay, the next choice item is another Glossier product because, again, I hadn't ever tried Glossier before, and I was like, you know, we're gonna go in, we're gonna go all in. This is the birthdaybalm.com lip balm, and it comes in this little tube. I hear people raving about the balm.coms, so I was like, yep, I gotta try this. This retails for $12, which isn't super expensive, but as I told everyone here before, I'm not in these boxes for the price, like the sticker price. I'm in it to try something new. This one seems to have little baby micro glitters, so it's cool as like a topper. I just put it on top. The Persona Cosmetics blush stick in Kiss, which I have on my cheeks as well. It looks nice. And then the last choice in my box is choice number 6. That's math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. This is the Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. This retails for $35. The reason I got this is I love face mists so much. Okay? I use one before I put on, no, I use one after my serum at least every night, and then right after my serum in the morning as well. Typically they're 2 different ones, like a more hydrating intense one at night and then something light and soft in the morning. This would be a perfect one for both, I think. Let me try a little bit. See the sprayer on this thing. Ooh. Right off the bat, I hate the smell. It smells like, I'm gonna pull it back to a weird memory. There was this store called Zany Brainy near me when I was a kid, and I loved it. It was like a kid's store, and they had this area where you could play with toys. It smells like that. It smells like plastic and cleaning solution, as well as like childhood smells of fuckery. I'll see how this works. I mean, it was nice. Like, it feels nice on the skin. The sprayer is okay. The smell is a little off-putting. So that's everything I got in my box for this month. Let me total up everything and then give you all a price. Okay, so the total for my box, and I'm gonna say here that I did add on those eyeglasses, which typically wouldn't be in someone's box, so my box is a little bit more expensive than everyone else's box. Does that make sense? I hope so. It's $314, which is great because the box is $55 seasonally, and I think it's a little bit cheaper if you go annually. I have said this before and I'll say it again. The price, like, oh my god, I got this much in my box for this much money, does not really mean much to me. What I really enjoy about this is being introduced to new brands like Glossier. I had never tried Glossier before. Their products were not the most expensive in here, but they're exciting to me, you know what I mean? They always give products that are exciting. Luxie brushes, I'm always excited to go back to my roots and get more brushes. You can never have enough eye brushes, and you can never have enough quality eye brushes. And to be honest, like, the glasses and the earrings are both brands I had never heard of before, and I have gone after like getting a FabFitFun and sought out some of these companies that I don't know of, following them on social media, checking sales, because I've really found a lot of products I love. Like, I was even thinking back to my last video where I was like, I'm kind of disappointed in like the choices for this season, and I look back and I use every single product that I got in that box. I always use every single product I get in these FabFitFun boxes. They push me to get out of my like comfort zone in the best ways and try something new. It just encourages me to step out of my shell, and I found so many good products, and I really just like, it's been beautiful, my experience with FabFitFun this last year. Like, truly, truly, truly so nice. And I will be re-upping, I think, for the entirety of next year, because what a great experience it's been. So anyway, I will leave my link down below if you want to join FabFitFun. Usually they have a code in this box to save $10 on your first box. I think with the link, you can also do that. It's not like an affiliate link or anything, but I'm pretty sure that is the case. I'll put a disclaimer here if I'm absolutely wrong, or just take this out of the video. And yeah, let me know what you guys got in your boxes, how excited and happy you were with it, or if you hated it, because just because I loved every single choice option we had this year does not mean that everybody did. This season. Jesus. Yeah, guys, so thank you so much for unboxing this with me. Thank you for taking some time out of your day to spend with me. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.